Did you know that cancer is one of the leading causes of death around the world? That's pretty scary considering all the misinformation out there and that most people don't take the time to read the labels on the food they buy. But here's something even scarier. Some of the foods we eat every day could be linked to cancer. You might have even eaten one of these foods recently without even knowing it. In this video, we'll talk about 20 foods that could harm your health and cause cancer. But don't worry, we'll also give you some ideas on what you can eat instead to stay safe and healthy. 1. Soda pop. Sweet but dangerous. We all love a cold, fizzy soda every now and then, right? You can't imagine how bad these drinks really are. That sweet soda you enjoy is not just full of sugar, but also full of chemicals that can make cancer cells grow. One chemical found in soda called fructose has even been linked to a higher risk of getting cancer in your pancreas. So next time you're thirsty, think about grabbing some water or juice instead. 2. Refined sugar. The sweet poison. Refined sugar, like the sugar in candy or cakes, might taste yummy, but it's actually really bad for your body. It doesn't give you any vitamins or good stuff, and it can even take away important nutrients your body needs. Plus, it might make cancer cells grow. So it's better to eat natural sweeteners like fruit instead. 3. Potato chips and French fries. Hot and crispy, but harmful. Who doesn't love potato chips and crispy French fries? Unfortunately, when potatoes are cooked at high temperatures, they form a chemical called acrylamide. This chemical is found in plastics and even cigarette smoke. It has been linked to cancer, so it's better to enjoy these snacks in moderation and opt for baked or healthier versions. 4. Processed meats. Bacon, hot dogs, and more bacon. Sausages, hot dogs, and other processed meats are yummy, but not great for your health. These meats have chemicals that help them stay fresh, but these same chemicals have been shown to increase the risk of certain cancers. Eating these meats every day can raise the chances of getting colorectal cancer. Instead of processed meats, try lean meats like chicken or turkey. 5. Red meat. Is it really that bad? Red meat, like beef and pork, might be delicious, but eating too much of it can also increase the risk of cancer. Studies have shown a connection between eating too much red meat and cancers like colorectal and prostate cancer. It's okay to have red meat sometimes, but it's best not to eat it every day. Maybe try more fish or plant-based options. 6. Microwave popcorn, a dangerous snack? Popcorn is often seen as a healthy snack, right? But when you make it in the microwave, some harmful chemicals can be released from the bag. These chemicals are linked to cancer, especially liver and pancreatic cancer. So if you want popcorn, try making it on the stove or in an air popper. 7. Pickles and salted foods. Too much salt is bad. Pickles can be a tasty snack, but they are packed with salt. Eating too much salt has been linked to stomach cancer. Pickles also have probiotics, which are good for digestion, but they shouldn't be your go-to snack every day. Instead, try fresh veggies or fruits. 8. Farmed salmon. Is it safe to eat? Salmon is healthy, right? Well, farmed salmon is a little different. It's raised in crowded fish tanks, and to make them look pretty and pink, they are often fed artificial coloring and chemicals. It's safer to eat wild-caught salmon if you can find it, as it's free from these harmful chemicals. 9. Canned tomatoes. Watch out for BPA. Tomatoes are good for you, but canned tomatoes can be tricky. Some cans are lined with a chemical called BPA, which can leak into the tomatoes, especially because tomatoes are acidic. BPA has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. If you can, choose fresh tomatoes or glass jars without BPA. 10. Dirty fruits. Pesticides are harmful. Did you know that many fruits are sprayed with pesticides to keep bugs away? Unfortunately, some of these chemicals are linked to cancer. Apples, strawberries, grapes, and peaches have the highest pesticide levels. If you can, try to buy organic fruits or wash them really well before eating. 11. Hydrogenated oils. Bad for your cells. Hydrogenated oils are found in many processed foods, like cakes, cookies, and fast food. These oils can change the way your cells work and increase your chances of getting breast cancer. It's better to use healthy oils like olive oil or avocado oil for cooking. 12. White flour. It's not as healthy as you think. White flour is in lots of our favorite foods, like bread, pizza, and pasta. But guess what? White flour is made by removing all the good stuff from the wheat. This means it doesn't give your body the nutrients it needs, and it can even raise your blood sugar. It's best to eat whole grain flour instead. 13. Alcohol. Drink with caution. Alcohol might be fun to drink at parties, but it's linked to several types of cancer, including cancer in the liver, mouth, and breast. Even small amounts of alcohol can increase the risk, so it's important to drink it in moderation. Water or sparkling juice is a healthier option. 14. Artificial sweeteners. Too much of a bad thing. Many sugar-free foods and drinks use artificial sweeteners, like aspartame or saccharin. Some studies have shown that high amounts of these sweeteners can cause cancer in animals. If you want something sweet, try using natural sweeteners like honey or stevia instead. 15. Genetically modified foods. What's the risk? Some foods are genetically modified, which means their DNA has been changed in labs to make them grow faster or resist bugs. While we don't know for sure if GMOs cause cancer in humans, it's best to stick with organic fruits and vegetables just to be safe. 16. Smoked meats. Yummy but dangerous. Smoked meats, like smoked sausage and hot dogs, are delicious but packed with harmful chemicals. Smoking meat adds tar, which is a carcinogen, a substance that can cause cancer. So it's better to eat grilled or baked meats instead of smoked ones. 17. Diet products. Watch out for the chemicals. Some diet products, like diet sodas or low-fat snacks, might sound healthy, but they can be full of artificial flavors, colors, and chemicals. These chemicals are linked to cancer and other health problems. Stick to fresh, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. 18. High-fat foods. Eat in moderation. While fats are important for our bodies, too much of them can lead to health problems, like obesity, which increases the risk of many cancers. Eating too much fast food or fatty snacks isn't good. Try eating healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocados instead. 19. Dairy products. Can milk cause cancer? There is some research suggesting that dairy products like milk, cheese, and butter might increase the risk of certain cancers, like prostate and ovarian cancer. But don't worry, you don't have to give up dairy entirely. It's just a good idea to be mindful and try plant-based options if you're concerned. 20. Processed and junk foods. The hidden danger. Last but not least, processed foods like candy, chips, and fast food are filled with sugars, salts, and fats that can harm your body. These foods don't provide any nutrition and can lead to health problems, including cancer. Eating fresh fruits, veggies, and whole foods is always the better choice. Conclusion: stay safe and healthy. There you have it. 20 foods that you should try to avoid or eat less often to help lower your risk of getting cancer. Remember, the key is balance. It's okay to treat yourself sometimes, but most of the time, try to make healthier choices. Drink plenty of water, eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and stay active. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier life.